Sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa stock market investing, madalas nating marinig o mabasa ang mga tanong nila sa social media, gaya ng anong stock ba ang magandang bilhin ngayon? Anong stock ba ang okay for beginners? Anong gagawin sa stock na to? Buy or hold ba? Pero alam mo ba, ang sagot sa mga tanong na yan ay makikita mo na sa mismong platform ng broker mo. May mga research reports ang mga brokers. Meron din silang fair value o target price at may consensus kung buy or hold ang recommendation nila. Pwede mo itong gamitin as guide para hindi mo na kailangang magtanong sa ibang tao kung anong stock ba ang magandang bilhin. Kung wala dito ang gusto mong bilhing stock, you have to do your own research. Lahat ng mga publicly listed companies ay makikita mo ang data sa PSE Edge. You can also check MSN Money PH. Meron din silang target price and consensus kung buy or hold reco. In this video, I'll show you kung paano gamitin ang mga tools na ito using the data available sa iyong broker's platform. Ang makikita ko lang ay yung 4 na brokers na ginagamit ko mismo. Kahit may research na available, syempre importante pa rin na naintindihan mo ang kumpanya bago ka mag-invest. And then invest based on your goals and your own risk tolerance. Let's start with COL Financial. Pero hindi ko ginagamit yung premium na website nila kasi mas nasanay ako dito sa lumang dashboard nila. Kaya ito ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. So go to Research tab and then Fundamentals, then click mo ang Investment Guide. Dito sa investment guide, makikita mo yung rating nila kung buy or hold ang kanilang reco. And then, meron din silang fair value and buy below price na pwede mong gamitin as reference. Fair value is the estimated worth of a stock. Based ito sa financials, growth potential, and market conditions compared to its current market price. Pero medyo mataas ang buy below price nila. So, I suggest maglagay ka ng 20 to 30% margin of safety sa kanilang fair value to be more conservative. Dito sa investment guide, wala silang LTG. So, hindi nila kino-cover ang LTG sa kanilang analysis. Sa homepage, dito mo naman makikita ang latest research ng COL Financial. Meron silang weekly notes and daily notes. Let's check yung daily notes for August 6. Makikita mo dito ang top stories headline, news highlights, and market summary. Ang ganda ng second quarter performance ng ICT. ASEN net income is below forecast. So hold ang rating nila for ASEN. And meron ding technical spotlight dito si Wanis. So makikita mo ang markets in review and market spotlight. Meron ding bagong labas na REIT snapshot. Top REITs ng Call Financial is A-REIT, RCR, and C-REIT. Next is BPI Trade. To access their research, go to News and then tap BPI Research. Makikita mo naman dito ang latest company updates and then pwede ka ring mag-search ng company dito. Okay, so let's check the BPI Traders takedown for August 6. So, meron silang stories for the day and then stock feature nila ang RLC. Buy reco ang RLC with a price target of 20 pesos. So, undervalued pa rin ang RLC. Meron din silang top picks or top buy recommendation. Sa ngayon, meron silang 7 stocks. Out of 7, meron ako nitong 4. Converge, P-Gold, MWC, and RCR. Kaya lang maliit na ang upside potential ng P-Gold, MWC, and RCR. And Converge is still undervalued. So meron pa siyang upside potential na 24.4%. At nakalagay din dito ang reasons kung bakit itong 7 stocks na ito ang top picks ng BPI Trade. Ito naman ang valuation table ng BPI Trade. Makikita dito ang target price for each stock, percent upside or downside, at ang kanilang rating kung buy or hold. The target price is the projected price level forecasted by analysts within a specific time period. So usually 1 year. Iba ito sa fair value. Wala silang DMC and LTG. So hindi nila ginagawan ng analysis. Sa BPI Trade, hold rating ang SCC. Maski sa mga brokers, magkakaiba rin sila ng stock picks and consensus rating kung buy or hold. Next is First Metrosec. To access the company update, go to Research tab and then First Metrosec. And just like Call Financial, meron din silang daily report and weekly report. And meron din silang Traders Playbook for traders. Let's check yung August 6 Traders Playbook. Meralco is on track to exceed all-time high earnings in fiscal year 25. And Reco is buy on support level. Trading plan is accumulate Meralco at 530 pesos. So ngayon nasa 540 plus na siya. Now let's check naman the daily report for August 6. So Bloom has another weak quarter. So makikita mo rin dito mga international, local, and corporate news. And may magandang news for Pure Gold and Keeper. Pure Gold is expanding to rural communities. And they also have first half 2025 earnings summary at yung consensus kung inline, below, or above their forecast. Wilcon is in line, RRHI is below forecast, and SCC is also in line with their forecast. So same as COL Financial. Check naman natin ang consensus corner. You can find FMS target price for each stock dito. Percent gain or loss and consensus rating kung buy or hold ba ang stock. Again, the target price is the projected price level forecasted by analysts within a specific time period. Based ito sa estimate ng mga analyst. Kinukuha nila yung average. And yung consensus rating naman is based on all analyst estimates. Strong buy ang DMC sa kanila with a target price of 15 pesos. Pero ang LTG ay hold with a target price of 10 pesos. Next is Dragonfly Securities. Go to Research tab at ito ang stock coverage ng Dragonfly. Makita mo dito ang rating ng Dragonfly kung buy or hold, target price, and buy below price, and percent upside or downside. Nandito naman ang kanilang research reports. Meron na silang report ng Metrobank. No changes were announced sa kanilang dividend policy for the remainder of 2025. May mga features na available pa lang sa mobile app gaya ng signature portfolio ng mga members ng Creator Circle. Pwede nyo ring gamitin itong D15 benchmark as guide. So meron silang 15 recommended dividend stocks. You can check my signature portfolio dito and pwede nyo ring gamitin ito as guide. I also have my buy below price. Pwede kang bumili ng stocks using my signature portfolio. But you can only buy stocks within the buy ranges. Again, guide lang ito na pwede nyong gamitin. So, kailangan naintindihan mo ang business ng kumpanya bago ka bumili ng stock. If you want to sign up for an account sa Dragonfly, you can use my referral code MoneyWise or pwede ka rin mag-sign up using the link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.